WAEC students, these are real questions from the 2023 WAEC Mathematics exam, and many students lost easy marks because they didn't understand them. Watch until the end because question number 4 confused many students in the exam hall. Question number 1, algebra. Solve. S squared minus 5s plus 6 is equals to 0. Firstly, we factorize. So, we look for two numbers that when you multiply them, you get 6. And when you add them, you get 5. And those numbers are 2 and 3. So, we write s minus 2, s minus 3 is equals to what? 0. 2 plus 3 will give you 5. 2 times 3 will give you what? 6. So, therefore, s is equals to 2 or s is equals to 3. If you get that correct, type 2 and 3 in the comment section. Question 2. Question 2 is percentages. If you're asked to find 15% of 200, first of all, step 1, 15% is equals to what? 15 over 100. Step 2, step 2, 15 over 100 multiplied by 200 over 1. 0 will cancel 0, 0 will cancel 0. 15 multiplied by 2 will give you what? 30. Therefore, 15% of 200 is equals to what? 30. Question 3. Indices. Assume you're asked to simplify 2 raised to power 5 divided by 2 raised to power 2. When dividing powers with the same base, we subtract the powers. So these are the powers, and they have the same base. So we have to subtract the powers. So 5 minus 2 will give you what? 2 raised to power 3, and 2 raised to power 3 is 8. So the final answer to this problem is 8. Question number 4. Trigonometry. Assuming you're asked to find cos 60 degree, find cos 60 what? Degree. One of the special angles you must memorize because cos 60 degrees is equals to what? 1/2. If you forget this in WAEC, you lose easy marks. Which question was the easiest for you? Tell me in the comment section. And if you want more WAEC mathematics revision classes, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for more WAEC revision. Bonus questions with answers. 9 plus 6 multiplied by bracket open 5 plus 2 bracket closes square divide by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 2 square divide by 5 minus 3. So 5 plus 2 gives us 7 squared divide by 3 minus 4 multiply by 2 square divide by 5 minus 3 will give us 2. Seven square is 49. 2 square will give us 4. So 9 plus 6 multiplied by 49 divide by 3 minus 4 multiply by 4 divide by 2. So 6 multiplied by 49 will give us 294. 4 multiplied by 4 will give us 16. So we have 9 plus 294 divided by 3 minus 16 divided by 2. 294 divided by 3 will give us what? 98. 16 divided by 2 will give us what? 8. So we have 9 plus 98 minus 8. 9 plus 98 will give us 107 minus 8. 107 minus 8 will give us what? 99. So the correct answer is 99. Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe. 7 square minus bracket open 3 bracket open 2 square minus 1 bracket closes square divided by 6. 2 square gives us 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So we have 3 squared divided by 6. 7 squared. 3 multiplied by 3 gives us 9. Squared divided by 6. 7 squared minus. So 7 squared is 49. Minus 9 squared is 81 divided by 6. From our board mass or pendants, division before subtraction. So 81 divided by 6 will give us 13.5. 49 minus 13.5 will give us 35.5. So this is the correct answer to this problem. Bracket 18 minus 23 bracket close this square. Divide by bracket open 6 minus bracket open 1 plus 1. Bracket closes, bracket closes. So 18 minus 23 gives us minus 5. Squared divided by 1 plus 1 gives us 2 minus 6. Six minus 2 gives us 4. Minus 5 squared gives us 25. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Minus we cancel minus, so 5 multiplied by 5 will give us 25. So 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4 will give us 6.25. If this video helped you, like, subscribe for more math success. 4 bracket open 5 minus bracket open 2 cube minus 3 bracket closes square bracket closes plus 8. First, apply indices. 2 cube will give you what? 8. Minus 3. Squared minus 5. Multiply by 4 plus 8. 8 minus 3 will give you what? 5. Squared minus 5. Multiply by 4 plus 8. 5 squared will give you what? 25. Minus 5. Multiply by 4 plus 8. 5 minus 25 will give you what? Minus 20. Plus 8. Multiply by 4. 4 multiplied by minus 20 will give you what? Minus 80. Plus 8. Minus 80 plus 8 will give you what? Negative 72. So the correct answer to this problem is negative 72. Always follow board mass. Your bracket, others, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. If you get this correct, excellent. If not, now you understand why. Like this video, subscribe for more WAEC Maths success. Now, can you try 8 bracket open 6 plus 2 minus 8 squared plus 11. Drop your answers in the comment section.